Friends, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do a very simple light makeup without any delaying. I'm coming to my point. So I'm going to put some primer on my skin before doing any kind of a makeup. Tapping is so important, guys. Just do it, rub it well so that your pores doesn't get look uneven. Okay, rub it well. If you have dry skin, this is very necessary, not only for dry skin, even for uneven skin, even for oily combination skin, whatever skin you have. But I will always recommend a primer before doing any kind of a makeup, whether it is simple or heavy makeup. Okay, and without delaying, I'm just showing you my shade, that is Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Foundation, as I am die-hard fan of Maybelline cosmetics, so I used to take only Maybelline foundation. Now I'm going to Tang Beauty Blender to blend it. Guys, blending is so important part of a makeup. If you don't blend it well, it looks very much cakey. I really love Maybelline products. I would recommend all my friends to use Maybelline foundation. Without delaying, I'll be doing next part, that I'll take some part of foundation which I have left in my hands, that I'll be taking that foundation only in my blender, same blender I'll be using. I'll be taking it directly to my neck areas, because if you do only your face part, it will look very cakey on it and you look like a wood if you don't pamper your neck part also. Okay, just don't forget to put some part of foundation in your neck also, so that it looks same in your face, in your neck part also. So I'll be taking Maybelline, once again Maybelline, because I said already that I love Maybelline and Maybelline is my favorite product. Also it goes with every skin, I think so. I'll be taking it to conceal on the areas where I have some uneven skin. Under my eye.
I have not used any brushes, I am just tapping with my fingertips. With fingertips also, blending can be done so easily and smoothly.
Then I'm coming with a Maybelline product only. I'll be using compact because I am not a die-hard fan of powdery things, so I'll be doing with my compact.
Tap it well while you are putting your compact into your skin. Do not forget to come to the neck part, because we have to pamper the neck also. Likewise, we are pampering our skin, because it will look very uneven if you don't put the compact in your neck area.
Once again coming with my Maybelline blush, which I love the most, and I really do recommend guys to go with this blush. I'll be taking a little part of it and put it on my cheeks. I love blush because it looks your skin so much healthy. I'll be taking a little part. It should not look so heavy, as I'll be wearing only jeans, and this look is also for a jeans and t-shirt look only. Just I'm putting it to look my cheeks fruity.
Please make it sure that you are not putting so much blush on your cheeks, because you are wearing a jeans only. You have to look very casual.
My highlighter, which I love the most, I'll be taking this color guys today, as I'm wearing blue, so I have to put my highlighter a little bit blue sky tone. Just a little part, my upper area, my cheeks. As you have seen, I have not done any contouring to my nose, to my forehead also, so I will put this little bit.
Now I am brushing my eyebrows upwards to draw a line, and also you can see that my eyebrows are not in a position today because I have not done any threading since last lockdown, since 3 months I think.
Today I am drawing with a kajal, that is Lakme Kohal. I'm not much careful in drawing today as I was smudging out only, so you don't need to be careful if you do a smoky eyes. I'll be doing a smoky eye today as I'm getting so many messages. My friends are asking me to do a smoky eye, as you all know how to do a smoky eye, but still I'll be showing you a simple process, then you can do it. Done. I have done with my kajal, so I'll be smudging out today. Oh, there is something in my...
Also this look you can be created with only one kajal, you don't need so many products to create this look.
And the brush I am using for smudge is Color brush. You can get it any store.
You can see to create this look it's so simple, anyone can do it.
My brush, and I'll be doing my upper layer parts. So guys, you can see I have done smudging with some brown colors into it. Hope you like it. Next I will be going directly to mascara.
So guys, I have completed with my final look. As you can see, it is very simple. It is for the beginners actually, and for I have not put any false eyelashes also, so you can girls go with this look. Hope you guys love it. Thank you for watching and bye. I love you all.